Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error 0x80246007 when downloading Windows Update. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. In service you just need to search for background intelligent transfer service, BAC, background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it and startup type set to manual, and if the service status is stopped you just want to start it. After starting it, click apply and OK. After doing this, close out of here and now try to update again. If you still having a problem guys, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command guys used in my video. Just need to copy it, copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V, press enter. This will take some time to finish it guys, that's why wait until this done. And after finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC. After restarting, go ahead and try to update. Your problem is solved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.